Hi friends, this is the video on Math Lesson 12.3. You can find it on pages 680 through 682 in your math book. One thing that you guys do need to do before you start working on this is to either print out the ruler that I attached in our Google Classroom or our Facebook page, or make your own with a tape measure or something else at your house, so that you can measure these things accurately, I guess, at your house, okay? If you do have a ruler, that's great. You can just use that, okay? So what we're going to do is we're actually going to start measuring things this week. We are going to be using your, I guess, ruler. I made mine out of a tape measure. And then you are going to, I guess, measure all of the things in your book here, or my page up here, in your book, and then you're going to go through all of our classwork with me, and then I'll give your assignment at the end of this video, okay? So what we are going to do, in your books, it actually says use cubes to measure the length, but I thought it would be a lot better for you guys to actually try using a ruler to measure too. So we're going to start it with that. One thing though, my ruler might not be the same length as yours, because I could have goofed up on this, or the amount that is in the book. I am just gonna go with what I guess what the book says, because I'm measuring all of my stuff off of that, which is way bigger than your book. So if, say, I measure this up here and it's not the same size as yours, just put your answer down and that will work, okay? Because they're also, in this book, they're measuring with cubes, and we're doing it with, I guess, our inches, okay? And mine's, I guess, not like zoomed in like yours too, because mine has like a little itty bitty page. Okay, so it says use your ruler to measure the length, and I'm going to hold my ruler up to my number one stapler, and I am going to measure. All right, so this stapler should be 4 inches. Okay, or it says 4 cubes. And yours might be a little bit smaller, I guess, than mine too. But just write down what your length is, okay? Number 2, we're measuring our eraser. That is 2 inches. And what you guys can do, to show your symbols, you can write I, N, or put 2 little lines behind your number, and that means inches, okay? Number 3, you need to measure the length of number 3 and number 4. So these are the exact same thing as 1 and 2. This lesson will be pretty easy. All you have to do is just measure things, okay? So number 4, measure your, or number 3, measure your tape dispenser, okay? So I'm measuring that, and that is 7 inches. On number 4, you need to measure your glue stick. And I'm looking at that there and measuring it here. It is 3 inches. Or 3 cubes. Alright, so number 5 actually has you doing something a little bit different. It says measure the length and the height of the calculator, then tell how much taller the calculator is than it is long. So I have my 3 lines right here. Yours are vertical. I put mine horizontally. So this first one is, how long is it this way? Okay, so I'm going to put down mine is 2 long. Okay, and now I'm going to measure the height, so up and down. Okay, this one is 3 inches long. Okay, so now you need to tell me, how much bigger is this one than that one? So if you have a 3 and a 2, you know that it's only 1 inch longer. Okay? On number 6, you need to measure the length of the eraser. Can the eraser fit inside a box that is, it says 4 cubes, we're going to go 4 inches long? Okay, circle yes or no. So your first step is to measure your eraser. Yeah, grab my thing. I'm measuring my eraser, and it is actually 3 inches long. Okay, so I'm going to write 3 on my line. But does 3 inches, is that smaller than 4? Yeah. So my eraser can fit in a box that is 4 inches long. Okay? On number 7, it says measure the length of the paintbrush. Can the paintbrush fit inside a case that is 5 inches long? Circle yes or no. So first things first, you need to measure your paintbrush and write down your length. So I'm measuring mine, and mine is 6. Can a 6-inch paintbrush fit into a case that is only 5 inches long though? It can't. So you have to circle no. Okay? On number 8. This one I'm not going to do here, but I want you guys to do at home because you have to pick something at your house, something, I guess, just laying around that you want to measure. And you need to tell me how long and then how tall something is, okay? And then tell me what your object is. On number 9, you are supposed to measure the marker and tell me which 3 options are not the correct way, okay? So you should circle or color in 3 of those boxes, and the one you should not be coloring in or circling is the correct length, okay? So I'm going to look here. Your numbers are 20, 10, 5, and 1, okay? So I'm measuring it through here, and I'm looking at it, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. So I know that 20 is too big, 10 is too big, and 1 is too small. So that would be your answer for that one. So color in every other one but the 5, and you should be good, okay? So for your actual assignment for today, with your math, so your homework part of it, you need to go to pages 683 through 684, and you need to complete the numbers 1 through 6, okay? What it's asking you to do here, though, is to measure with a paper clip. If you don't want, or if you don't have a paper clip or don't want to measure with paper clip, just grab a ruler or use the ruler that you just made and measure it that way, so you can stay consistent with what you're doing, okay? So you do have to complete 1 through 6, and when you're done, have mom and dad or whoever is helping you take pictures of your math and turn it into either Google Classroom, send me a message on Facebook, or send it to me through email, okay? I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this, and like using your rulers that you made or printed out, okay? I'll see you next time.